How many people going in this car?
Hey everybody, welcome back. Happy Sunday. We're on our way to the beach. Have a little Memorial Day, family fun day. All these people. Suppose we leave at 9. What time is it? You know the black folk don't never leave on time. It's 9:56.
Where Corey go?
They got all these
You
kids.
already have one. Where's Corey? Give it to the other little girl.
Pray for it.
You already have one.
What's going on? You ready? Hey Corey.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready? Where are we going?
The beach.
To the beach. Somebody thinks she cool over here. You got a new bathing suit?
Come on.
All this traffic. It's been taking us 30 minutes to go 2 miles. These two been arguing the whole 2 hours. All done. Yeah, so on the way home, y'all getting in the car with your mammies. We have made it, finally. We found a place to park, which is ridiculously expensive, but what are you gonna do, right? And by the time we got here, we didn't even care. It's like, just hurry up. So, the boardwalk is down that way. We're gonna find a prime spot. Oh, I'm so happy. Happy to be at the beach. Now we just gotta find a place to squat. This sand is hot. Hot. Found our spot for today. We got a big tray of chicken because, you know, when kids be wanting something to eat. We got lunch meat in there to make sandwiches and water and juice and chips. We ready. We got the ocean. It's not the pretty Caribbean color, but that's all right. I'll take it. Go find the other buckets. What you making? Why are you pouring water on me? Finding it funny to dump water on me. Trying to keep up with all these kids. Yep. They trying to bury Uncle in the sand. It's gonna take forever. Another burial going on over there.
My legs can't move. I can't move my legs.
Now you see what it feels like to have no legs. This one keep counting kids every 30 seconds.
I'm not losing nobody child.
How you gonna get out? That bird great get you.
That bird move. I'm going to die.
Hey, you stuck in there.
Oh, man.
They going.
Huh?
You're gonna be real dark in the face. We got funnel cake. It's like the best part of the beach. Oh, I can't wait. So good. They feeding these birds. Now it's like a whole bird gang around here. Came up to the boardwalk. Want to get some boardwalk fries and some lemonade. They got saltwater taffy too. I love saltwater taffy. And I tell y'all, it's hot out here. It is hot out here. It's like 90 degrees today. So it's like, whoop. We are packing up the cars to go home. We are tired. Look like it's about to storm. Woo! I'm hot, sweaty. Got a headache from the sun. It was blazing out here today. Already done got a suntan. Look at that. Oh my God. Crazy. And we put sunscreen on. And I always get so dark.